Welcome to the ESI studio. With us today we have Mr. Takehiro Kawahara, Senior Associate, Bloomberg New Energy Finance UK. Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's dive straight into our discussion points for today. So your focus area here at AUW is commercial industrial solar.
Mm-hmm.
Can you maybe take us through the landscape in sub-Saharan Africa?
Mm-hmm.
What are the challenges, what are the opportunities, and what kind of businesses are getting involved in this space?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so as you know, solar cost of solar and batteries are rapidly declining over time. And then a big challenge in Africa in the commercial industrial sector is the electricity supply constraints for service companies and manufacturing companies, which means that in some certain countries such as Nigeria or Congo, many countries, companies are struggling with frequent and long outages. And then because of that, a lot of companies are relying on diesel generators, which is costly, and also diesel price changes over time, and sometimes it goes up. But the solar can give an alternative solution, because if you look at the cost of electricity, comparing between diesel generator and solar hybrids, which is solar combined with diesel generator, you can potentially reduce diesel fuel consumption. So that is the economic benefits for those companies, and also in terms of reliability of supply electricity, they can also have benefits.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Interesting insights, and I think you've really touched on some of the trends that we are seeing in sub-Saharan Africa at the moment. Do you believe, Takehiro, that we will see a continuation of this trend? Do you think that people are going to start incorporating own generation, renewable energy, and how will this affect the landscape?
Mm-hmm. Actually, the solar hybridization is still at the early stage at the market level in the sub-Saharan Africa. We have been tracking the projects of solar hybridization for commercial industrial sector, such as shopping malls and clinics, educations, schools. But many projects are so far focused in South Africa or Kenya, or some projects in Ghana. But a lot of small companies still have challenges, and potentially they can get benefits by hybridizing their energy supply systems using solar. And then we have seen some new investments coming. Like, for instance, this year we have seen a Nigerian company called the Starside raised $30 million US funding from investors. However, compared to off-grid solar, which is off-grid solar systems for residential customers, the penetration of the commercial industrial solar has been slow. The part of the obstacles is the lack of funding.
That is actually a very good point, and it seems to be a topic that's coming out several times during the AUW conference. And hopefully we can see the investment landscape change for the better. Obviously the new IPPs that have been signed, and hopefully we can get a regulatory framework that really supports that development. Takehiro, that's all we have time for today, but thank you so much for joining us, and thank you to our viewers as well. My name is Pamela Larg, Senior Writer for ESI, reporting from African Utility Week.